My name is Nicole Giansanti, and I own I'd Wax That Skin Studio in downtown Niantic, Connecticut. I have been in business for just over a year, and I had been invited to Michelle's EnVision workshop last year by a friend of mine when I was just in business for a couple of months. I took in the sights at the time, and then that saying, when the student is ready, the teacher will appear. That ended up happening to me around 9 months in business when I realized that Michelle's strengths are numbers. She is such a number fiend. She gives you details in facets that are way beyond things that I could do, and relays things that are important and not important, keeps me on track. I've been in her mastery program for 4 months so far, and the leaps and bounds that I have made in my confidence as a business owner is astronomical. I will spend a session with her going over exact ROIs, exact marketing plans, really the hardline things that business coaches do. And then I'll spend another session with her crying my damn eyes out because I am so stressed and I have paralysis by analysis and I don't know where to go. And Michelle is able to take all of my crazy balls of yarn for me and separate each color so I can make the plan and create the gorgeous rainbow that I was trying to do, but I wasn't sure how. She's a godsend. The investment is worth every single penny. I can't say enough things, and to be perfectly honest, I was honored that she asked me to do a testimonial for her. So thank you, Michelle. I really am excited to continue working with you, having you help me work on my business and unscramble my brain for me when I need it.